No, the project just isn't for me. It doesn't reflect my ethical values. They've upped the offer. Okay, we'll chat later. Ciao, darling. Anyway, the reason we're here. Explorathon! As you know, it's happening this September here in the Ark and in Castlemilk, and we're looking for family activities. What have you got for me?
In our glowing science activity, you can race against the clock to find the hidden balls in our ball pit and learn about how we use fluorescence in our research.
I love it. You've got the part. Next!
Come and make your own toy theatre sheet and see how we use them to understand 19th century theatre.
Very intriguing! I'd love to have you on board. That was beautiful.
You can build your own mini weather station, and the best part is you can take it home with you afterwards.
You're through to the next round. Seriously though, you're very welcome.
Hello, can I be at Explorathon this year?
How did you even get in here?
I'm full of scientific knowledge and I'll be happy to answer all sorts of questions.
Any question. Is it true that robots are going to steal our jobs?
I don't know what you're talking about. Explorathon is taking place at the Ark on Saturday 21st and Sunday 22nd of September, and at Glasgow Club Castlemilk on Friday 27th of September with free activities for all ages. See you there.
How did you even get in? I looked at the camera.